everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Here is a pallet worth of 888 lot stuff. These are all individual items. We spent $575 on everything. I think there's some things in here that are a little bit on the heavy side, which is unusual for us. We like to buy smaller things, so we're going to see, is it even worth it? So we're going to unbox everything you see on this pallet and see, will we actually make some money? You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Alrighty, so let's get all the stuff off this pallet. So we got some big boxes. We're going to start with this baby, little tiny baby box. They kind of double stacked it, so that's kind of a little interesting. So these are all supposed to be brand new items, individual items, so we should have multiples of each. So I don't know exactly how many items, but we're going to see. All right. Extra padding.
Should be 60 items on the entire pallet.
Okay, 60 items total, different items. This is a Lumens 2-in-1 work light and flashlight. So it looks like it has pull-out extension. Oh, it's got the magnet on it and everything. So this is a really fancy one. You know, I'm just going to open one of these just so I get to see one. We will be pricing each and every item at the end of this video. Ooh, that is a heavy-duty dog right there. So make sure you stay tuned to the end. Look at that. Holy buckets. Well, it doesn't have batteries in it right now, but it's got the magnet on the one side. That is a durable flashlight.
Does it open?
Yeah, somehow. Oh, okay. So it has this light, and it has the flashlight, and it has the magnet, and I think you could probably
beat somebody with it.
Hammer in a nail. Yeah, it could be like a billy club for defense. So yeah, all of those things. It looks like this whole box might be full of these, which is awesome. Okay, it's got one random other thing. Okay, one random Olay sensitive lotion. Let's pull this out of the bag here so we can actually see it. Oh, it looks like there's more than that in there. Okay, so this is a little lotion bottle, Olay sensitive. Hopefully that's worth some money. We got a bunch of those in there, and we got a bunch of the flashlights. So far that's 2 of the 60 different items. Oh, looks like the whole bottom of that box is covered in the Olay. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. There we go. Bunch of Olay sensitive, fragrance free. All right, so I'm just going to move this whole box at once so we don't have to carry it all one by one. So there's 2 items. So far, so good. They look like they're in great condition. Going to keep pulling stuff off this pallet. It's in this large box. Glad they didn't stack the pallet too high. We can get into it. All right. They always do a good job padding stuff. What are these? The amazing exercise ball. Basically just a big kind of yoga ball.
Perfect.
Perfect.
From Lazy Monk.
Yep. From this is called Lazy Monk. I don't think you're lazy if you have to exercise with this. To unlazy you, this is unlazying you. So same kind of exercise ball, just the front and the back of the box. We got 3 of those. What are these? Are these more of those gear puzzles? I love these things.
I think we were...
Were we out of this one? We had one more. This is the pendulum clock. So you build it, and then it actually has gears. You just turn it, and it works. Like this shows front, side, and back view on there. Self-assembly, no battery, no glue, mechanical, and they're all laser cut pieces. Are these all the same? I think they're all the pendulum clock. Yeah, these things are amazing. These are perfect Christmas gifts for your mechanically minded people. Kids or adults. Ooh. Are these bedding sets? 1800 series premium set duvet cover set. So it's the queen duvet cover. and it has 1 duvet cover for a queen and 2 pillow shams. So you still need the comforter, but this is a duvet cover, which a lot of people are going to these now because then you can just take this off and wash it, and you have to wash the big fluffy blanket that gets, you know, worn out. So now you've got gray duvet covers. They're all for a queen. It's like, is that everything that's in here?
I don't think queen is a horrible size.
No, well, we have a queen, so it seems like
it's about your standard size.
Standard. So we got a bunch of those. I'm just gonna set this down on the floor. I'm gonna save my table space. All right, what's in the big giant box? This is the biggest box.
These are huge.
These are huge boxes. We reuse them a lot, though. All right. I see something that says Pac-Man, and it makes me so happy. I love Pac-Man. What is in here? Oh, what is that? Man. It reacts to music. Ghost light. Pac-Man ghost light. Let me set it down here. Pac-Man ghost light. It comes with 1 Pac-Man light, 1 micro USB cable, and an instruction manual. So it's a color-changing mood light. Setting the Pac-Man ghost light to party mode makes it flash and change color in time with your music. That sounds amazing. Everybody wants a ghost Pac-Man. This is so vintage. Cool. Very nostalgic.
Sit by the... I don't think that's the actual Pac-Man people.
No, but it's awesome.
It does look cool.
It does look really cool. And we got a bunch of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we got some more on the side there. 6, 7. So we got 7 so far. What are these? These might be the bigger items I thought we ordered. Okay, let's see. Oh, it is.
Oh, yeah.
Those are exactly what you think they are.
This is why.
That's why it's on a pallet.
Yep.
Pressure washers.
These are pretty beefy.
Yeah, beefy pressure washers. So we're going to have to pull up a... I will probably do the majority of the pricing on Hooked on Pickin so you can see the picture.
Yeah.
Of these. So we'll show you on the actual Hooked on Pickin website.
I don't know if we want to open one or not really.
It says electric pressure washer 2.0.
Try to scan it and see.
Yeah, and then we'll find a better picture.
I think they're green, but I'm not 100% certain. But they are a little beefier.
No picture, I don't think.
No picture. It's just that.
The name. So we'll find a picture. I'm pretty sure they were the green when we looked on the manifesto when we ordered this. It was green.
I think so.
So we'll make sure we show you a picture. We can always pop it on the screen right now, like magic, and see. So we've got 1 pressure washer, 2 pressure washers.
Be a good time for a pressure washer.
I think so. Fall cleaning. Okay, here is a jacket. This is a 1-piece 2XL. Ooh, we had one like this before that sold like in minutes.
Really fast.
Yeah, it's a leather jacket. It's a 2XL leather jacket. Really, oh, it smells good too.
Cool looking jacket.
Genuine leather. Yeah, it's kind of like a biker. Nomad USA. Pretty sure, did we sell the other one on Hooked on Pickin? I was pretty sure we did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we got that now. All right,
Beautiful.
we're going to set that up here. And I think that's it. There's nothing else in here. So I'm just going to go pull this one out and get rid of this box.
Some bag, that's it?
Yeah, just a random bag. We'll put this box over here. I'm going to put all the bubble wrap in it. There we go. Okay. Last 2 boxes. You said 60 items? Hopefully the whole load came. Maybe this is only partial load.
No, it's supposed to be a load of 60.
Okay, so maybe lots of different things in the rest of the boxes.
I'm hoping.
Okay, another pressure washer. How many of these things did we buy?
I can't remember.
All right, so there's that.
Yeah, those are big.
Oh, here's another pendulum clock. Another pendulum clock. Is that the only thing in here? Pressure washer? Yep. Well, let's hope the rest of the stuff is in the other box, huh?
Hopefully.
Well, my thought is maybe we can check and see, did everything get delivered?
Well, the lotion was supposed to be like 20.
Oh, well, that
20 lotions.
there were 20 lotions in there for sure. And then the flashlights were like 10 or 15.
That's about half of your load right there.
And then we got all the big stuff
the
here.
rest of this is big. I think there's 9 of these.
Okay.
So.
All right. So maybe we are good.
Okay.
I wonder if these are just pressure washers here, or if there's other smaller stuff. They do a pretty good job packing everything. Another pressure washer.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Something else in there.
Another coat. Yeah, this one is a Viking Classic Cruiser bike. This is a medium. It's the same one. No, it's not a Nomad. It's a different kind.
Now that might be a lady's jacket.
This one is for sure a ladies because it's got the cinching here. So this is a ladies medium biker jacket. So we got your guys and gals.
There you go. You're mad.
You can be matching set. All right, and then what's this one? Is this the same? Exact same coat, size medium. It's the ladies one. It's identical.
Cool.
And then
just one more of those.
One more pressure washer, and that's it. All right.
Not bad.
So we finally got it a pallet. So we're gonna go ahead and price everything and come right back. All right, so I've got Hooked on Pickin all pulled up and ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and see what did we price everything. So here is the Hooked on Pickin store, and you can always hit the shop button to find all of these items. So first off, we have the duvet cover, queen size, double brush microfiber 3-piece bedding set at $19.99. Then we have the 250 lumen multifunctional extendable LED work light and flashlight with aluminum shell and powerful magnetic base. So it kind of shows all the different functions there of that, and that is going to be at $9.99. Then you can buy the exercise yoga ball. It is 25.6 inches in size, a typical size of a yoga ball, and it has all of the extras that you see in the picture there. $20 for those. Then we have the Pac-Man Ghost Light. We have 16 color options. It changes color to music. It's USB powered, and it shows you all the different fun colors and how large it is. 8 inches by 8 inches. Really cute, kind of nostalgic piece at $19.99. Then we have the Nomad USA motorcycle leather jacket for men. We originally had our first one at 3XL. This one is a 2XL, and it is only $50. Then we have our pressure washer there, and that is going to be $59.99 for the pressure washers, like dirt cheap. When we looked these up, they were closer to $100, and so it comes with everything you see in the picture there, and the description is there, $59.99. Then we have the Olay Sensitive Calming Liquid Cleanser, fragrance-free, 6.7 ounce with the pump there. Of course, we have 20 of them, so feel free to buy more than one. $5.99 is all we're asking for those. Then we have the Pendulum mechanical wooden gear clock, and it kind of shows you what it comes. It's $24.99, comes in this box. Really nice gift idea, and we have a few more of those now. And then we have the Viking Cycle Classic Cruise Cowhide Motorcycle Leather Bicycle Jacket for women. So really nice one. It is size medium. We have 2 of them available, and those are also $49.99. So we're looking at probably being able to double our money, and so we're really excited about that. So yeah, a little bit bigger items, but really good prices is what we purchased them at, and so we'll be able to double our money with what we did on the pallet. So we spent $575 on it total. Multiply that by 2, so we're around the $1,000 mark is what we're going to make. So we're super excited. Thanks for joining us on this unboxing, and of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.